Are you feeling stuck with a tough relationship decision? Here are 4 steps you can use to help you move forward with relationship confidence. Step 1 is to accept that you can't control the future. You can't make a perfect decision because you can't see everything that's going to happen, and that's okay. You're not responsible for predicting relationship outcomes. You're only responsible for making the best choice with the information you have right now. Step 2 is to take full ownership of your decision. Don't wait for everyone to approve. Don't wait for agreement. You can absolutely learn from others, especially people who've succeeded in relationships, but when it comes down to it, no one else can decide what's most important to you. People will give you conflicting advice. That's normal. Just remember that it's something to consider, not something to obey. You are the one who has to live with your choice, so take full responsibility for making it. Step 3 is to focus on what you do know, not what you wish you knew. Most of the stress we feel in decision-making comes from obsessing over the unknown. We ask ourselves things like, will he cheat? Or will he stop loving me? But those are questions you simply can't answer. Instead, focus on what you do know. What's true about him right now? What has he shown you consistently? What values does he live by? When you base your decision on what's actually in front of you, your anxiety goes down and your clarity goes up. Step 4 is to set a deadline for your decision. Don't let it drag on forever. Living in limbo is exhausting. When you set a date and time to decide, your mind starts focusing on what matters and filters out all the noise. You stop chasing every new thought or fear and start getting clearer about what's important. Now, if there's more information you still need to decide, go get the information. Then sleep on your decision. Give your brain space to process everything. If your decision still feels right the next day, then trust it. And once you've made your decision, come back to the present moment. Life isn't about perfect choices, it's about fully living with the ones you've made. So let go of fear, trust your process, and then move forward with peace. If this video gave you a fresh perspective, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It may seem small, but it makes a huge difference.